Are you prepared to explore the mysteries concealed within the ancient walls of Lisbon's Sé Cathedral? Today we embark on a thrilling quest deep into the heart of this historic tower, where whispers of hidden treasures echo through the corridors. But be warned, these treasures are not what they seem. Welcome back, travelers and fellow explorers. If you are here for the first time, my name is Carter, and you are here at Atypical Vagabond. But we will take a little peep over here inside of this old cathedral here in Lisbon and check it out. Completed in 1147, the Sé, or Lisbon's Cathedral, is one of Lisbon, Portugal's oldest and most iconic landmarks. Throughout its long history, it has hosted numerous services attended by Portugal's monarchs. This rich history sparks curiosity. Could they have left behind hidden treasures for us to uncover? As we step into the grandeur of the Sé, an aura of intrigue envelops us. Towering arches and solemn statues guard century-old secrets, hinting at the mysteries concealed within. Each step forward feels like a leap back in time, drawing us deeper into the labyrinth of history and legend. Venturing further into the cathedral's depths, we encounter cryptic symbols and ancient artifacts, each shrouded in mystery. Every corner holds a clue to the cathedral's hidden treasures, from intricately carved relics to weathered tapestries. Yet the deeper we dive, the more elusive the truth becomes, leaving us enticed by the promise of discovery. Amidst the cathedral's grandeur, we're captivated by the artistry that adorns its sacred halls. Stained glass windows cast kaleidoscopic light patterns, while ornate altarpieces tell tales of devotion and sacrifice. Every brushstroke and chisel mark speaks volumes, inviting us to unravel the hidden secrets within the cathedral's masterpieces. As our journey through the Sé draws to a close, we're left with a sense of wonder tinged with curiosity. Though we may not have unearthed the fabled treasures we sought, what we've discovered is far more valuable: a deeper appreciation for the history, art, and spirituality that infuse the sacred place. And as we bid farewell to the cathedral's hallowed halls, we carry with us the knowledge that some treasures are meant to be felt rather than found. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, the captivating voyage through Lisbon's Sé, where secrets abound and mysteries unfold. If you enjoyed this discovery, hit that subscribe button below and you'll find more exciting explorations. Until next time, may your travels be filled with wonder and revelation. Até amanhã.